guys, today I'm going to show you how to get Spotify Premium on an iPhone and get the student discount with it. So have your phone on hand so you can follow along as we go through. Let's jump right in. So the first thing you're going to want to do is head to the Spotify student page, and you can go there by just simply searching that into your Google. You'll click on the Premium for Students, and then you're going to select Get Premium. If you don't already have an account, you're going to sign up, which you'll find at the very bottom. If you do have an account that you want to register as a student account, you can just put in your information there. I'm going to sign up. So you're going to enter the email of your choice that you want to use for the student account and then hit next. And then you're going to create your password. And then once you're finished with that, you're going to hit next. And it's going to ask you to fill out a bunch of information about yourself. The first of which will be your name. This is going to be what you want to appear on your Spotify and what people will search to find you. For the last step, it's going to bring you to the terms and conditions page, and you won't be able to sign up unless you accept these terms, of course. If you're finding this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. This helps the channel to grow and for us to reach a larger audience. Thanks so much, and let's get back to the video. And once you've checked the boxes that apply to you, you're going to hit sign up. Once you've hit sign up, Spotify's going to have to verify that you're actually a student. And to do this, you're just simply going to click next. So you'll want to select the country you're from, the school you go to, your first and last name, date of birth, and email address, as well as your mobile number. And once you're finished all this, you'll check the box at the bottom there, and you are going to hit next. Next, it's going to bring you to an upload page where you're going to upload a document that includes your full name, your school, and a date proving enrollment for the current term or within the last 3 months. Once you have that, you'll drag and drop the files there. I'll click choose files, and I'm going to drop the file that includes all of that information on it. I'm going to click open. And then it's going to upload it here, and I'm going to click continue. This process should only take a few seconds. They even give you a countdown here so you can watch. So I am eligible for Premium for Students, and I can get the student discount. So if you are eligible, you're going to get that message, and you can just click the Get Student Discount. Alrighty, you guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you found this helpful. Maybe you can use this information or pass it on to somebody else who needs it. Thanks again, and I will see you guys in the next video.